and girls, many of you think that math is only done in the classroom. In our show, we're going to explore how math is used all around us. We'll practice doing mental math in everyday situations and learn how to solve a word problem in a very easy way. So, buddy, let's hit the road and get ready to beat the clock.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Beat the Clock. We have two boys here, and I'd like for them to introduce themselves.
My name is Jack Bear, and I'm in Miss Parker's class.
Welcome, Jack.
My name is Caleb Cullen, and I'm in Miss Parker's class.
I'm so glad you're here to help me solve this problem. I have a really long problem today. It looks kind of tricky. How many times should we read this problem?
3.
3. Who would like to read it the first time?
I'll read it the first time.
Okay, Jack, go ahead. Read it nice and loud for the children.
Jack suggests that he and his friends go fishing on Lake Conway. There are 6 boats ready, and they each hold 2 people. Each person is allowed to catch 3 fish. They caught their limit. How many fish were caught?
Wow. That's kind of confusing.
Yeah, very.
You first try to get a picture in your head. Let's do something else. Let's read it the second time and mark the important information. Okay, so Caleb, would you read it? And mark it. So
Jack suggests that he and his friends go fishing on the lake. There are 6 boats ready, and they each hold 2 people.
all right, so we've got 6 boats. They each hold 2 people. Okay.
Each person is allowed to catch 3 fish.
Cool. 3 fish. All
They
right.
caught their limit. How many fish were caught?
Well, you know, Caleb, I don't fish. I'm not a fisherman. So what does it mean when it says they caught their limit?
It means like a certain amount of fish.
So why are you limited as to how many fish you can catch?
So either other people can catch the fish, or so they don't go, like there's not any more fish of that kind.
So we're protecting them, aren't
Yes.
we? Gosh, do you all have it figured out what we should do yet? What should we do?
We should.
Instead of figuring it out, could we go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where could we go?
To my house.
Are you kidding? Why would we go to your house?
Because I have a boat. And I have rods.
Oh, so maybe if we see a boat and we see some fishing rods, maybe we could figure this out?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Boys, we've got to read this problem 3 times. So, Caleb, would you read it one more time?
Jack suggests that he and his friends go fishing on Lake Conway. There are 6 boats ready, and they each hold 2 people. Each person is allowed to catch 3 fish. They caught their limit. How many fish were caught?
Well, it looks like you've got a boat.
Yep.
And how many boys do we have?
We have 2, and we each have a fishing rod.
And how many fish are you allowed to catch?
We're only allowed to catch 3 fish, but since there's 2 of us, we caught 6.
Well, let's take a look at 6 fish. Oh my goodness. So they each caught 3, so we've got 6 fish.
Yeah.
But there's a problem. There were 6 boats.
Yeah.
So how many fish would be caught? 36. How would you do that, Caleb?
You could multiply or use repeated addition.
That's right. Well, let's suppose you don't have this boat on this beautiful lake, what could you do?
We draw it out with a picture.
All right, let's take a look at that the boys and girls could do at home. It looks like we've done this. So Jack, can you hold it? Good. Caleb, can you get the other end? All right, Jack, what do you know in this problem?
I know that there are 2 people on each boat, and there are 6 boats, but each person can only catch 3 fish.
And Caleb, what do we need to find out?
We need to find out how many fish.
Okay, there's a couple of ways we could do it, Jack. How could we do it?
We could do repeated addition, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 36. Or we could do multiplication, which is 6 times 6.
Boys and girls, it's always a good idea to see if your answer makes sense. I love to have pictures drawn, and Jack already drew a picture. So, Jack, could you just describe what you drew? Caleb, will you help him hold that picture? Perfect.
So I drew 6 boats,
Okay.
and all you have to do is draw 2 people on each boat
All right.
with 2 fishing rods, and you draw 3 fish, 6 fish on your boat, and each person got 3 fish.
All right, each person got 3, so we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 36. And that makes sense. Until next time, have a good week. Be sure you subscribe to our channel so you can come along with us to our next location. I hope you'll try what you've learned today so you can
Beat the clock.